Hello, welcome back to the Statistics Bio 7. In episode 23, we are learning one sample t-test in MedCalc software. One of the simplest and most widely used statistical test in biomedical research for one sample t-test. We will use a real fasting blood glucose dataset from 30 adult and test whether the mean difference from the WHO reference value of 100 milligram per deciliter. So we take the dataset for the one quantitative variable to compare the simple mean to a unknown populations, the reference mean for WHO 100 milligram per deciliter. So in this tutorial we will using a fasting blood glucose level milligram per deciliter from 30 different adult. So now the analyzed for the one sample t-test in MedCalc software. So go to the top menu for the MedCalc statistics options, then click to the t-test selected for the one sample t-test. To open the new tab for the one sample t-test, the first selected for the variable the fasting blood glucose milligram per deciliter. So selected, then the filter is optional, then test value, the reference value for WHO, the mean blood glucose level 100 milligram per deciliter. Then a right side for options, the logarithmic transformations. So this is options, and the click to the OK button. Now the data analyzed for the one sample t-test in MedCalc software. So the sample size we take the 30 different adult, and the lowest value for the blood glucose level 92 and the highest blood glucose level for the fasting 113. So the arithmetic value 101 for 50 and the 95% of confidence for the mean 99.37 to 103.62. Then median value 101 and the 95% of confidence interval from the median 98 to 104, and the variation value 32.39 and the standard deviation value 5.69, the standard error value of the mean 1.03. The one sample t-test, the test value for the 100, the reference value this is, then difference for the 1.50, 95% of confidence interval minus 0.62 to 3.62. The degrees of freedom, the DF value 29, and the T statistics, the test for the 1044, then significance value P is equal to 0.159. Then the additional on the options the provide the MedCalc software, the created the box and whisker plot for the our fasting blood glucose level. So click to the box and whisker plot, then open the new tab for the box and whisker plot. So the variable is already selected, then option choose for the plot in the all the data, the graph ordinations for the vertical. So click the OK button, then created the box and whisker plot in the MedCalc software. So hide the grid line, right click, hide the grid line, and the customized for the box plot, the select the center of the box plot, then right click, the format box and whisker plot. So the fill the color option selected, the green, and click to the OK button. So if you want the outer border, then the border color selected for the black. Okay, so the symbol clicked, right click and click to the format marker. So this is a marker customize options. So change to the marker color in the red, and the marker style change to the fill the color, and the fill the color option same to the red. Then size of the all the marker 14 for the standard, then click to the OK button. So the marker change to the red color. So y-axis present for the fasting blood glucose level milligram per deciliter. So this is a data analyzing and data visualizing for the one sample t-test with box and whisker plot in the MedCalc software. If you any doubt on this analysis for the one sample t-test, leave me comments in the comment box. I will reply to you. And if you like this video, click to the subscription button. Thank you for watching this video. And the additional detail for the one sample t-test I will upload for the our Blacker page. That page link to the this video description box for the reference file. Thank you for watching this video.